everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be making dessert and let's get started, guys. Okay, so let me tell you what I decided to do. When I was in Walmart, I saw this puff pastry. I have to try it, guys. I figured I'd go ahead and make a dessert for Matthew. And so I have the puff pastry, which I rolled out right here. It was pretty easy to just roll this out. And I have some cream cheese here. And I had a can of the blueberry pie filling. Okay, so we're gonna be using this because he likes blueberry. And some sugar because we need to sweeten up this cream cheese. And let's see how this turns out for me. This is my first time doing this kind of a dessert. Now let's get started, guys. Okay, so like I said, we have the cream cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a half a cup of sugar into this cream cheese. And we're just gonna go ahead and use regular sugar because this is not anything that I'm having. But yep, my oven is ready. So we preheat the oven at 400 degrees. I'm gonna work in a half a cup of sugar into the cream cheese. So make sure this is nice and soft. It's been sitting for a while. And then I'm gonna open this up. We'll see how this goes, guys. So let's do this together. Okay, so I put the sugar already in the bowl. So what I'm doing is just kind of working that together, getting it nice and sweet. I love this this dessert, guys, but I'm not using an alternative sugar. And I was gonna try to make, I have blueberries in the freezer, and try to make it with other stuff, but I'm just gonna use this because I'm making this for Matthew, so he doesn't have to have. Remember, I usually use Swerve, and I use organic stevia. You can also use monk fruit, but because these blueberries are already sweetened, it didn't make a difference. So I'm working this in here. Next time I'm gonna try to make the pie filling. Oh my goodness, this tastes so good. I'm gonna make the pie filling myself with my sugars, and this way it won't spike your sugar, and it's good, it's better for you. Okay, this tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna go and get a bowl. I'm gonna leave this sit there for a minute and see how I'm going to cut this dough. We're gonna fill the center, and then I'm gonna see how I'm gonna fold it over. So we may as well do it together, guys, because this is my first time doing this. But I like the idea. So this is called Just Roll. And that's what it looks like, guys. I got it from Walmart. And I don't know. It looks, I hope it comes out delicious, guys. So I think this is mixed in enough. All right, let me get this can open. I'll be back. Okay, so this is what the blueberries look like. And oh my goodness, I would just do it with the cream cheese. It tastes so delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this whole. You can actually cut these and make turnovers with them. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to fill the center, and then bring, the idea is to bring both sides together, seal it, and I'll probably do an egg wash, guys, but we'll go ahead and do that together, and then sprinkle some sugar on top. So let's go ahead and fill the center. You can do a half of cream cheese, guys, but because I was keeping all of this whole, I just went ahead and put the whole thing of cream cheese, the whole, I think it's 8 ounces of cream cheese. All right. And this is so nice and sweet, guys. Okay, let's go. I don't want to go too close to the end, so this is good. We're trying to keep everything in the middle. Okay. Then we're going to take the blueberry pie filling, and this is only, this is actually less than half. So I'm going to say it's a quarter of the can. It's a pretty big can. So I'm just going to put enough. I'm not going to overdo it. Just put enough right here in the center. So I just put enough for the center, so I'm going to say this is like a quarter cup. Okay. I don't want to do too much here, but doesn't this look amazing? Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to take this knife and make like slits. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. I'm going to fold this over. Okay, we're going to fold this over. And we're going to fold this over. All right. Okay, so I'm going to twist this and then bring it over. I'm going to twist this. I'm just going to keep on twisting it. Let's see how this looks. I'm actually having fun here. I'm not really like great at these things, but I'm learning. All right, so we're going to twist it and then lay it down. So this doesn't look the greatest right now, but that's okay. I think it's going to look beautiful in the end once it poofs up. So I'm just kind of curling these little pieces. Okay. And twist it and lay it down. Twist it and lay it down. So let me go ahead and continue this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put the pastry on the sheet pan, and this is an egg wash. So what we're gonna do is just brush some of this on here. Now I was going to sprinkle this with regular sugar, but I have some other sugar, like gold type color sugar. I don't know, I used it in one another recipe that I was doing for quick and easy meals, and I said this would be perfect. So hopefully it stays gold. It's like a gold tone. Not sure, guys, this is my first time doing this, but it's going to come out delicious. So I have already, the oven has been preheated already, 400 degrees, and I'm going to check it. I'm gonna check it because it's my first time every 10 to 15 minutes. I think it won't take longer than, I don't think this will take longer than half an hour, but I'll keep checking it. So, here it is, sanding sugar. I don't know what that is, guys, but I used it before. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle it. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious? Oh my God. So, into the oven this is gonna go. Look at that. Looks amazing, guys. Look at this. So it's going in the oven. Let's see what this looks like. So I'll see you as soon as this is done. Bye. Oh my goodness. So look at this, guys. This looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece. Wow. Doesn't that look great? And look, you see the sugar and how it crusted in the top. This looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so let me just go ahead and cut here. I just like the end piece. I shouldn't even be having this, guys. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. So that's all I'm gonna cut here because I shouldn't be having this. Wow, look at this. It just came right out of the oven. Absolutely amazing, guys. Look at that. And I love this part here. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this with a cup of coffee. So let's head on over to the reveal. Absolutely amazing, guys. Look at that. So delicious. Nice and hot. I can't wait to try it. Now I'm gonna take you over to the longer piece. I'm not ready to move it yet because it's still too hot. But it came out amazing. Matthew's gonna love this. I can't wait. Okay, let's head on over and look at the longer piece. So I'm just waiting for this to cool off. So I can go ahead and put it in the container and then just keep it in the fridge. But this was great. It's my first time making it. I love the puff pastry. Absolutely delicious, and we love blueberries in this house, so that's what it looked like. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.